How secure are Arco's storage facilities? Security is always a top priority. Every property is designed with multiple layers of protection, starting with gated access that requires an entry code, plus 24-hour video surveillance to monitor activity around the clock. You'll also find fence perimeters and bright lighting throughout the facility, creating a safe and visible environment day or night. Many locations also have on-site managers, providing that added human presence and quick response if needed. And while Arcos covers the big security features, we always recommend customers add one more safeguard: a high-quality lock on their unit for complete peace of mind. Together, these measures mean your belongings are stored with the same care and caution you'd expect at home. Want storage that takes your security seriously? Head to www.arcostorage.com today and reserve a unit at one of our secure, well-protected facilities.